Breaking news coming up. First up, a union cabinet meeting will be held at 11 a.m. tomorrow in the national capital. So the latest as far as the COVID-19 situation, of course, and other pressing matters to be discussed in the union cabinet meeting to be held tomorrow. Let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya joining us with more on this. Aishwarya, any specific agenda for the cabinet meeting tomorrow?
Well, at this point of time, we are being told that there are 4 specific agendas, one being on COVID-19, one being on the economic front, and also one regarding Northeast. Also, what we are being told that the ITBP, that is the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, will be given in special powers. So there are certain specific agenda which are on the table for the cabinet. Apart from that, we are being told that a special order regarding migrant laborers is also on the table. But whether the MHA would, or rather whether the Home Minister Amit Shah would table it tomorrow itself or in the next cabinet meeting, that is still awaited. But yes, this is going to be the first cabinet, Shivani, after lockdown 4 commencing. Hence, it's going to be an important and significant one.
All right. So, of course, the COVID situation and the economic situation is going to be discussed. This is, I believe, also the first one after the entire economic package has been announced, Aishwarya. And of course, how to make sure that the announcements translate into better demand, better credit for MSMEs, companies, and of course, easing of doing business. That might also well be on the agenda.
Yes, Shivani, absolutely. After that massive 20 lakh crore economic booster package, this is that very important cabinet meet. So yes, all of those small ratifications will also be brought in. But then the larger target of the government is to help those. And then further actions, and if further modifications are required to that, all of that will be brought in. Apart from that, we are also being told that it's CCEA, so it's Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs as well as the CCS. So the 2 subcommittees of the cabinet will also be meeting prior to the cabinet, and that in itself entails that there are certain specific economic and then security concern issues which will be brought in the cabinet. Shivan.
All right. Aishwarya, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining us.